I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements on Stash, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your statements. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear located in the top corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Statements. Scroll down to find the Statements section within your account settings. This is where you can view and download your statements. Step 4. Select the statement. Choose the specific statement you want to download. You may see options for different months or years, so pick the one you need. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the statement, look for the download button, usually labeled Download PDF. Tap it to save the statement to your device. Sometimes the download might take a moment, so be patient if it doesn't appear immediately. I hope this guide helps you easily access your account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.